today at Shawarma Gourmet. Shawarma Gourmet is located in Escario Central Mall in Cebu City. With me is Leslie C. That's her YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to her channel, as well as the KuratSya cast are outside. Elizabeth Veloso. Hi. Mama Rene.
Hi!
Si Iris, si Video, si Rich, si Onime. Alright, so we're still waiting for the food to be prepared, but we're here at the function room. You can actually book this function room for 3,000 pesos. Consumable na siya, and please do wait for the food because it will be ready in a bit. See you later!
This is the beef shawarma pizza or manakish, chicken shawarma manakish, chef style, which is Lebanese za'atar with vegetables on top. This is the cheese and za'atar. You can have it half-half.
Cheese and?
Za'atar. Za'atar is made out of oregano, thyme.
Very healthy.
Okay. And this is a junior set. It's like 6-inch junior wrap, 1 chicken, 1 beef, 1 falafel. So if you're confused what to eat, you can have them all the three with a chili garlic and a garlic sauce. We have here the regular hummus, beef hummus, chicken hummus, and baba ganoush. These are the cold dips. Then we have the hot appetizer, cheese sambusik, chicken musakhan, like spring roll, beef sambusik, and beef and lamb kibbeh.
I just have questions, sir.
Yeah.
These are the dips, so, I mean...
It goes with the pita bread
Okay.
or with the croutons, the
Okay.
crunchy one.
This one.
Yes.
More
This is our shawarma entree for parties and catering. This is having chicken, beef, falafel, and french fries with 2 sauces, garlic and chili garlic. This is the salads. Fattoush, tropicali salad, tabbouleh, watermelon with feta and Lebanese. This is our house garlic sauce and the chili garlic sauce. This is the vegetarian option as well. It's a falafel.
This one.
Yeah, this is a falafel made out of chickpeas. Enjoy your meal. And if you have any questions, I'll be glad
You're
to
not
answer them.
allowed to be in the video.
You're welcome. I'll be back soon, huh?
going out. What's the taste?
This is a must try. You should try this one, guys.
And crunchy on the outside.
I really love their garlic sauce. Garlic sauce.
And meet you all.
And for their dips, I suggest you taste the beef because I prefer beef rather than the chicken. And then for their salad, you must try the tropical, the one with the mango. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about the food that we featured, please do ask them in the comment section. If you wish to support my channel, please do click on that subscribe button, that join button as well, and that notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye!
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.